मेरे बाब म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन्स तर ऑलरेडी आवाज येयलेलो आसा गोंयांत आनी दो इट इज येट टू बी अनाउन्स्ड. बट हाऊ डू यू सी युअर रोल एज अ काँग्रेस लीडर, एज अ लोकल इन कुंकोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एंड कुंकोली म्युनिसिपालिटी?
See, basically, in Kungoli municipality, the reservation has been made and the seats have increased from 12 to 14. And basically, जे हे BJPचो जो सरकार आहा तेमी तेंगेले कॅन्डिडेटा फेवर करपाक blindly, without any guidelines, on instance of the mandal and the BJP ministers have and the local MLA तांकां जे फायद्याक पडटा तें कोण हें रिजर्वेशन थिंगा केलेलें आहा. आतां इफ यू सी ड्युरींग द काँग्रेस रेजीम, my father Joaquim Alemão was the urban development minister, and basically during that time there were some guidelines followed on reservation of what, and it was streamlined, and the same guidelines were followed all over the state. The same principle. Here there are reservations in some municipalities where there are no reservations in the first 9 wards for ladies. In some places they have reserved in the first 3 wards. In some municipalities they have reserved for STs when there is less population there. So basically हे सगळे अंधा कानून आणि हे करपाक local MLA has played a big role. आमगेले कुंकोली म्युनिसिपालिटीन 12 हाली 14 केले. And in this municipality also they have tried to X 6-7 of my well-wishers and my supporters, and but people will teach them a lesson.
Okay, but what will be the role of Yuri Alemão in this Kunkoli municipality polls?
See, let me tell you, Kunkoli municipality at the last time when it went to polls in 2015, in the entire state, only in Kunkolim and Fatorda, 2 places we were able to retain it. We were able to retain it in Kunkolim. And elsewhere, everywhere it was BJP. I am confident की जे कुंकोळकार जे आमी जे काम जे बाब जोकीम आलेमान केलेलें आहा आनी लास्ट 4 years आमी 24/7 लोकां बराबर रावलो आहे आनी लोकां बराबर रावन आमकां लोक कितें तें अडकोताय. आनी हें कॉन्सिल जे म्हाका दिसता जे आमी घडोवन हाडलें 2015 जायतीं डिफेक्शनां जालीं आनी तेका जायते मनीस आहले. But I am sorry to say that these council that was then later backed by the local MLA, who was not able to get a single councillor. In 2015 he was not able to get a single councillor. There was some BJP councillors, but the panel was done by me. Majority of the members was led by me and my father. आणि म्युनिसिपालिटीन आज जे म्हाका दिसता तुमी चोयला आसतलें जे एक RTI एक आमचे एक हेराल्ड पेपराचें आयिल्लें, नॉट अ सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट जे एक कुंकोलीम शायनिंग म्हणून एक म्युनिसिपालिटीन एक कन्सेप्ट जालो जे बाब जोकीम आलेमाच्या वेळार एक वाड्यांनी हॉल जावं दी कम्युनिटी हॉल जावं दी ऑडिटोरियम जावं दी कितलेशे डेव्हलपमेंट देवळां जायते डेव्हलपमेंट जाले. एकूय प्रोजेक्ट हे आमदारा कडेन हाडूंक जावंक ना. तर लोकांक खबर आहा आनी इतलें करप्शन मागीर थिंगा जालें आनी लोकांक आज खबर आहा की जे लास्ट 4 वर्सां हो आमदार जो आहा जेका म्हाका दिसता फ्लुकान 17 मतांनी हो जिखला. 17 मतांनी हो जिखला. कुंकोळकार कितें ते हेका दाखयतले आनी हो म्हाका दिसता पयर उलयतालो की आपूण इंडिव्हिज्युअल आपणाक ते 1400 मत पडले. कुंकोळ म्युनिसिपल एरियांत बाब जोकीम आलेमाक 4000 मत पडली. हो जो पयर आतां उलयला की आपूण कावन्सील फॉर्म करतलो हो म्हाका दिसता आनी BJP जाल्यार बसतलो म्हणून हेणे मिस्टर क्लिफासियो डायस हॅज announced his retirement package. आणि म्हाका दिसता हे जे आमचे वॉटर डिपार्टमेंटान आणि लायट डिपार्टमेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान एक OTS स्कीम काढल्या, वन टाइम सेटलमेंट स्कीम, हांकां येहले बीजेपीचे आमदार जे काँग्रेस सोडून बीजेपीन गेले हांकां ही स्कीम लागू जाल्या आनी हे वयताय थिंगा दुसरे पार्टी अप्रोच जाताय हांकां हेंगेलो म्हाका दिसता सारकें सगळें काबार जालेलें आहा हे सगळे रिटायर्ड जालेले आहाय आनी ही रिटायरमेंट पॅकेज तेमी दाखोवन दिलेले आहा हे अनाउन्स केलेलें आनी हांकां कितें तें लोक दाखयतले म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन
राफासियो म्हणटा एके सायडीच्यान की आपला जे पॅनल एक पार्ट फॉर्म जाता बीजेपी सपोर्टेड पॅनल यू आर कॉन्फिडंट दॅट यू विल बी एबल टू फॉर्म द पॅनल कुंकोलीम
सी let me tell you one thing people of Kungolkar know us we have been there with them we have never left them there were several problems that were faced by the people in the last 4-5 years and we have been in the limelight and right from say for example तुगेले national highway चो issue जालो त्या वेळार थिंगा घर म्हाका दिसता सुमार 200-250 घर मोडटालीं त्या वेळार बाब जोखीम मालेमांव हांव आमी बाब मनोहर पारीकराक भेट दिली आनी तेन्ना हे प्रोजेक्ट होल्डाचेर दवरलो तेच भायर जे म्हाका दिसता एक मेजर तुका सांगपाक जाय जे when there was an erratic power supply at that time with the help of Mr. Vijay Sardesai the then TCP minister we approached Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. The power minister was on record that not a single proposal was received by the local MLA. Bab Pandurang Madgaikar was on record in the house. At that time, this proposal was moved by Rajan Naik. We followed it up. The file was pending in the finance department by one Mr. Michael was the finance secretary. At that time, we got it, followed it up and approved it. And आज थिंगा कितलेशे development zata yeah loka zai that because of that we had interfered in it when people also came because of the highway we went with the people there was no local MLA and he should basically prove je development korpa mutinga gela ye development kehle development ne kela आता हे development korpa gela self development korpa gela kide korpa gela कित्याक म्युनिसिपॅलिटी लोक कितें तांकां दाखयतले हे करप्ट थिंगा प्रॅक्टिसीस चलताले आनी लोक आय एम व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट दॅट वी वील बी एबल टू फॉर्म द कावन्सील
सो फुली क्लीन स्वीप जातले or you'll be able to form the council
see now currently it is pending in the high court and whatever be the reservations it's been challenged in the high court there is like anda kanuna भाशे ते नाव एक गोरा 2-2-3-3 आंट कोताय जायते भाशे मनशां भायर काढाय जायते भाशे हिंगा कांयच ना हे म्हाका दिसता एक डिक्टेटरशीप हुकुमशाय चल्ली आहा आनी हुकुमशाय लोक कितें दाखयतले बट आय एम कॉन्फिडंट अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टेन्स this we will form the council.
One more thing is that if you go to see these municipality elections could also show you all the road towards assembly elections. Assembly election तो कहना जा सकता है. You never know. It can be earlier, or it will be scheduled in 7 to 8 months. How important is Kunkoli municipality polls for URI as a whole?
See, any election is important. Basically, the role should be to throw this BJP out. And we are very confident. I don't see any problem with us. And we should form the council very easily. That is not a problem.
आयज तुमकां दिसता की ते दीस गेले क्लाफासीचे जे तो आयज म्हणटा की आपूण स्पेशली आपणाक डेव्हलपमेंट जाय म्हणून येयला इतले तेम डेव्हलपमेंट जावना तो ह्या 2 वर्सांनी जेन्ना तो जॉयन जालो तेन्ना जेन्ना डेव्हलपमेंट जाला कितलेंच ही हॅव बीन देयर फॉर द पीपल कशें म्हणटा
अरे डेव्हलपमेंट कितें केलें तें दाखय रस्त करप कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेवप आपणाक एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेवन हें सेल्फ डेव्हलपमेंट करप लोकांक पयशे घेवप खावप आनी म्हणप की कोस्टा पयशे म्हूण हें सगळें म्हाका दिसता हें जें डुप्लिकेशन जें चल्लो आहा आनी जें डेव्हलपमेंट खूद स्वताचें इलिगल हेंगेले मनीस तेगेले जे वेल विशरान सपोर्टर आहाय हे इनवॉल्व आहा इलिगॅलिटी करपाक कितलेशे जाग्यार पंचायती मॅसिव इलिगॅलिटी चलता इन विथ द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ द लोकल MLA आनी हें डेव्हलपमेंट चलता पयर हांवें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन इन द म्युनिसिपॅलिटी जेन्ना जोकी मालेमांव थिंगा मंत्री आहलो वो जेन्ना आमदार आहलो त्या वेळार तांकां कितले फंड येताले आनी इतले डेव्हलपमेंट जातालें. नॉट अ सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट थिंगा बस स्टॉप जोकी मालेमांव ज्या वेळार केलो जे that got an award as the best bus stop in the country. There was an auditorium made there. There was a municipal hall made there. There was development of stadium there. What has he developed? Roads is making is not or basic amenities is not development. Basically blaming someone because of COVID I could not do this or I could not do that because I shifted from Congress to BJP. What have you shown? एक white paper ते दाखवायचे. एक project केल्या दाखवायचं. One single project in the municipality in the last 4 years.
If you go to see overall Konkoli, what are the major issues that have not been tackled in the last 5 years? आणि हे करपाक जाय आशिल्ले.
Basically, unemployment is the biggest issue. During Bab Joki Malema's वेळार, there were several people, more than 600 to 700 people had got government jobs. Maybe several thousands of people were put as private jobs. Unemployment is a big factor there. Apart from that, corruption, rampant corruption. जेन्ना घरांत पाय तरी सारको ना जाल्यार भुरगे हे चोताले. तर हे कॉन्सुलर जे आहले हेंगेलो पाय जो आहा हो आमदार हे आमदारा कडेन म्हाका दिसता कांयच एक ताकद ना आनी कांयच एक फंड पासो हाडपाक ते कडेन एक शक्ती ना. तर एहले तरी हे आमदार हिंगा आहले तेजे लागून आज जे प्रोजेक्ट आहले तेजे बारीकशे डेव्हलपमेंट पासून जायना. फॉरगेट न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स, डेव्हलपमेंट जायना. आय विल गिव यू एन इन्स्टन्स. there is an auditorium built there. As during Bab Rajan येलो 2012 तो म्हणलो जे बाब जोकी मालेमान मानला हिंगा आपण ऑटोमॅटिक डेराक बसयलो. क्लिफासियो डायस 2017 हांगालो म्हणलो हिंगा हॉलांत एसी बसोवपाक जाय. कांयच ना, सगळो गोबोर. आनी एहले MLA लोक कितें हांकां दाखयतले. काँग्रेसा लागू हांकां मातशी थिंगा लायकी आहली. ही 1400 पडली, काँग्रेसा लागू पडली. सो हेजे मुखार लोक म्युनिसिपॅलिटीचे वी विल गिव गुड गव्हर्नन्स, पीपल फ्रेंडली at your doorstep आणि corruption free.
If you go to see, even you thought of joining, first you joined Goa Forward, from there you came to Congress. Was it a right step to join Goa Forward?
See,
you had to go directly to Congress like your father was there with Congress.
See, at that time, the people felt that I should join the Konkolim, what was happening, the situation was getting from bad to worse. When I joined Goa Forward, at that instance, I was able to do a lot of things in the short span. The State Highway 8, we managed to denotify. Today, at that time, I was very verbal and I was very clear that the State Highway 8 had to be denotified. जे आमगेले चांदोर एक हेरिटेज विलेज हा, ही विलेज सांबाळपाक आमी ते डिनोटिफाय करपाक प्रयत्न केलो आनी म्हाका दिसता ते बाब विजय सरदेसायाच्या आदारान ते जालें. पूण आज थिंगा जायते पॉलिटिक्स जाला आनी बेसिकली ही फायल जे म्हाका दिसता हांवें पयर एक प्रेस गेलेलें आनी इन दॅट प्रेस आय हॅड शोन एन RTI document that basically the road had to be made from the state highway to major district road, and it was given a name as MDR 53 that was proposed. Today MDR 53 is somewhere in Penne. Why I fail to understand, because of local MLA's connivance with these coal mafias that are moving around in the state, why is this state highway still not denotified? एक mun jai modala, एक mun jaan gelo. So basically, when I was in Goa Forward, I managed to stop that. 8.5 crores that tender of electrification in the village, in the municipality, we managed to do that. I didn't go to do my development. Basically, I went to help the people.
So, as far as itle manta jala, what is your say that you feel ki direct Congress and join the Goa Forward was not a problem for you to join? आणि मागीर कितें जालें that you had to come to Congress?
See, basically, I'll tell you. The people felt that Congress today is the party is like an ocean. Congress party, बाब जोके मालेमान 2 पुसा राखला. काँग्रेसाचो दिगंबर कामताचो सरकार 2 पुसा राखला. आणि जोके मालेमा has always been a loyal soldier of the Congress party. And he has saved the government on 2 occasions. There were several, including my uncle at that time, wanted to dislodge the Congress government. But Joaquim Alemão stayed away from even talking to his family members at that time to save the Congress government. And Swadaj, he was always a loyal congressman. When they denied us Joaquim Alemão the ticket, at that time he decided to take another step. And right now, whatever there were these differences, basically we have told the Congress party, and we are thankful to them that we have been inducted back into the party fold with the blessings of our party president, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, who has approved our joining in. And today we are completely focused on strengthening the Congress government.
आयज तुमी काँग्रेसाचे स्ट्रॉंग लॉयल सोल्जर म्हणटा. एके सायडच्यान देर इज अ न्यूज दॅट former AAP convener Elvis could also join. तेन्ना मागीर कशें जातलें? Because he also has been aiming in Kunkoli also. तुमी आसा कशें जातलें?
See, let me tell you, this whether everyone, whoever has to join the Congress or whether they are not going to join some other party, that is for the party to take a call. We are very focused. I have shown my wish to contest from Kunkolim, and basically I don't indulge in any armchair politics. ये जे armchair politics जे हा, I am not a spectator in the stadium commenting on a match. आता गेम समज आहा, प्लेयरूय आहा आनी गेमूय आहा. कोणा प्लेयरा रेड कार्ड पडे, कोण प्लेयरा रिटायर जालो, कोण बाबा इंजरी जालो, हे सगळें थंय बाबा हांव प्लेयर थिंगा खेळटा. जे हे मनीस जे आहाय, one should not indulge in armchair politics. Armchair politics is good for when you talk to media. तेंकोडे लोक ना आणि लोक तेंकोडा तेही लोकां बाराना. So this, I feel, I am very certain and I am on the ground. We are playing the game. रेड कार्ड पडो कितें जावं हे बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगपाक जायना, पूण आमी हे जे मनीस आहात तेमी पॅनल डिक्लेअर करचे आपणाले आनी कापासता जाय जाल्यार एकल्याक तरी तुमी निवडून दिचो.
So you are confident that Yuri is confident that Yuri will get the ticket of Congress?
See, ticket is not, I am not worried about ticket or this or that right now. Right now, Congress party has formed a thing where they have given us to strengthen the party, membership drive. I am going to strengthen the party in the coming few days, and ticket is up to the party. The party will decide. I have said that I am interested in contesting in Kunkolim, and the party will look at my work. People are with me, and I am confident that the party will stay by the people.
So whoever joins Yuri will work for the party, and you are confident on your party?
Yes, I am confident on my party.
Okay. Would it be like when you talk about coming back onto Kunkoli municipality elections, you are just waiting for the reservation court decision, or you will finalize your candidates?
No, see, it is a process now. There is only a week for, and I strongly believe that justice will prevail. And whatever it is not a problem for us in Kunkolim. We have been there. People know us in every household, and we are confident to stake claim there.
And you will form the council?
Yes, I will form the council.
Yuri, thank you very much. Thanks to speaking to us.
Thank you.